Ever tried to send a folder to someone, only to find you can't attach it? Or that one massive file that's just too big to email? What's really happening there? The problem isn't with the folder or even the file, it's the overall size that's too big to send. Your email system's basically saying, whoa there, that's too bulky to carry. So you need a way to pack it tighter. That's where zip files come in. A zip file is basically a digital suitcase. It takes one or more files, squeezes them down to make them smaller, and bundles them neatly into one package. But how does it actually pull that off? The zip program, or your computer's built-in compression tool, does the heavy lifting. It scans through your files, looking for patterns and repetition to figure out where it can save space. For example, if your document says,
data, 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 data,
zip goes, hey, instead of writing that 4 times, I'll just store it once and remember how many times it repeats. That's called lossless compression, because when you unzip it, you get everything back exactly as it was, nothing lost. Inside the zip, each file is stored separately, along with a kind of map showing where every file begins and ends. When you unzip it, your computer reads that map and rebuilds everything perfectly. Think of a zip file like a bag full of Lego bricks. It packs everything tightly to save space. When you unzip it, your computer pours out the pieces and rebuilds the design exactly as it was. Simple files with lots of repetition, like text packed down beautifully. But videos and images? Those are like Lego models already snapped together. There's just not much space left to save. And yes, zip files can even be encrypted. Add a password, and your data stays safely locked inside until the right key opens it again. So next time you send someone a zip file, remember, you're not just sending a folder. You're sending a clever little puzzle that your computer knows exactly how to unpack. That's amazing, isn't it?